Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Outreach email templates for compliance step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Outreach account. Navigate to the Templates section in the main menu. Once in the Templates section, locate the specific email template you wish to backup. Click on the template to open it for editing. Select the entire content of the template. Right-click and choose Copy or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C for Windows or Command+C for Mac. Next, open a text editor or a word processing program on your computer. Create a new document. Right-click and choose Paste or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V for Mac. Save the document with a descriptive name, ensuring it's easy to identify later. Repeat these steps for each template you need to backup. Once you have copied all necessary templates, make sure to organize your saved documents in a dedicated folder. Label the folder clearly for easy access in the future. If you have a large number of templates, consider creating a spreadsheet listing each template's name and associated document location. This will help streamline future compliance checks and reviews. Finally, ensure that your backup documents are stored securely, either on a cloud service or a secure hard drive. Review your backed up templates periodically to ensure they are up to date with any changes made in Outreach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.